Did you know that both Ronaldo and the Kardashians wear this type of smart ring? This startup has sold over 1 million of its products. In this video you will see the following: finding the right ring size, unboxing the ring, a real life review, and the advantages and disadvantages of the ring. So let's start with the first one, which is finding the right ring size. It is very important. A few days after I ordered it online, I received this ring sizing kit, which helps you determine the correct size for your finger. So you can choose between 8 ring sizes. After a few attempts, I found that size 10 fits me perfectly. You can do this test. If you don't see any hole between the ring and your finger, that is good. And you can try on your other finger as well. If your skin is moving with the finger, that is also good, but it shouldn't be uncomfortably tight. When you receive the actual smart ring, you will feel it much smoother than the plastic one. And it looks much better than on the website. My first impression was that the product's packaging is very minimal and looks high-end, but what's inside the box? A wireless charger and a ring. The ring was almost fully charged, so I could use it right away. It's very lightweight and stylish. In fact, this ring can also start new conversations if you meet new people, because they may ask why you wear this ring on your index finger. The company recommends wearing it on your index finger for best performance and accuracy. After trying it, I connected it to the Oura app and it started working. But why is this ring so great? It provides sleep insights, monitors your heart rate, tracks your activity, monitors illness, measures body temperature, and helps you identify stress triggers. For women, it also helps understand your body throughout your cycle. In one sentence, it's like your passport to a healthier lifestyle. But how does it perform in real life? To be honest, I feel like I'm missing something if I don't wear it on my index finger. It will be more comfortable after a few days. You can wash your hands because it's water resistant, you can drive, you can type with it, so it doesn't cause me any discomfort. Be careful in the gym with it because it can get scratched, but it's a jewelry, so it's normal, I think. The battery lasts around 7 days, so you don't have to worry about charging it every day. But is there any scientific proof behind the ring? Before we find out, we need to know what is HRV. It's heart rate variability. Think of it like a car's engine. When you are driving, sometimes you press the gas harder and other times you ease off. Your heart works similarly. It speeds up when you are active or excited and slows down if you are relaxed. HRV looks at these changes and can tell us about how your body is handling stress, your overall well-being, and how you recover after exercise. So in a nutshell, HRV is a health indicator. Oura study found that its HRV measurements are highly accurate when compared to an electrocardiogram. And the last topic, advantages and disadvantages of the ring. What are the advantages of the ring? The ring sizing was actually perfect for me. The mobile app provides valuable insights and it's easy to use. It also helps you to understand your stress triggers, which was the main reason I bought it. And it's stylish and lightweight. Especially when I wake up, I feel like an Iron Man because I see those green lights around my finger. But what are the disadvantages of the ring? It's my personal opinion. If you can't find your size here, there are no half sizes. It's not a cheap ring and there is a subscription to access more features after you purchased it. If you touch it, you can see your fingerprint on the ring. I just shared my special link below the video. You can get a discount on your first purchase. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe.